Hey everybody, I hope you're having a very good trading day. We're live again now with our trading challenge. I'm here with my two good friends and colleagues. We have Antonio and Salman. So how are
Hey
you
guys,
today? How is everything going? How's your
all
trading
good.
going?
All good in general, and also the trading is going good. I don't want to brag today, but I have to show you something, guys. Something very interesting that happened to me. So if I can start today with our
Okay,
trading
yeah.
charts.
Let's
Go for it.
So am I sharing my screen or?
Yeah. It's here.
So nothing new.
Okay.
I'm on this. I don't know for the viewers who watched our last live stream. We all went to stage 2 challenge because we all passed stage 1, apart from Christian.
I like to say we all out of 3 except for me.
Actually, not yet. I haven't passed stage 1, guys. I'm still on phase 1. Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe, Salman, you should explain what's the rules, what are we trying to achieve, what's going on here in this whole trading challenge?
So,
what is it?
Yeah, so basically, like what we offer Funded Pro, the scheme is this way: you take, you get 2 challenges. One, like you can decide what account size do you prefer. Of course, each one has a different cost. All three of us started for the stream with a 100k challenge, stage 1. Then there is a stage 2, and if you prove that you are a good trader for the first 2 stages, then you get funded, and that are real funds. And if every profit that you make on the 3rd challenge, which is the funded account, you will keep a split profit for yourself, which is usually 85 or can be up to 90% if you buy the add-on. Okay, so as we said, we were all on stage 1. I passed the stage 1 last week, so I went up on stage 2. I just found out that I'm the only one trading on stage 2. But okay, I wanted to show the viewers this trade here.
So basically, just for those who watch now, so if you're trading and maybe you want to get in, feel free to comment your questions. Look, it's not financial advice. First of all, let's make this very clear. Whatever you see here and hear from us, we just love so much to trade. We decided to live stream. So when we share our strategies here, use your own time to do research, analyze the market, and just use it for inspiration. So now, Salman, let's look at how do you manage to perform so good at the moment?
Yeah, so not so well as I thought, because this trade was up to 9k just half an hour ago. Then I took a bit of a drawdown here, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see my screen here. This is where I took the trade here. This is this blue point here on the 24th. So I entered that the price was 2017 in XAU USD gold. I entered long position, so I entered with a buy, and as you can see here, it was pretty sideways the price. Then pretty good entry because I managed to catch this spike. And as you can see here, now I just added the take profit today, but this is after this happened. So if you see here, my take profit would have allowed me to reach the profit target, because let's go on the dashboard here. Can you see my dashboard?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so this is the equity dashboard. You can see here I reached a peak of 161. The profit target is 12,000. Okay, so I would have not reached it for $5. Actually, you can see here where I reached 100. Okay, but what happened? I forgot to put the take profit, and of course, it didn't take me out of the trade from this price. So got a drawdown, recovered a bit. This morning I woke up and I remember I have to put my take profit when the price was already here, and still I lost some bits here today. So now the profit of this trade is just around $6,000, $6,200 roughly. Hopefully the price can reach the 2047 target that I put here as my TP. You can see here. But yeah, lesson to learn, and I think we have a new add-on that can prevent the situation from happening. So whenever a trader reaches his profit target, he will get taken out. Of course, this is a feature that you can pay for. Otherwise,
it's a cool feature, right? I think our tech team now are looking into it and trying to see how we can do it. It's not live yet for those of you who are thinking about adding it today, this weekend. But if we have had this feature, right, you would have been able to say, okay, you could go to bed, you could sleep, and then you'll basically have fast.
I would have made with one single trade. I want to specify this. One single trade, I would have reached the profit target of $12,000. I would have still have to trade to reach the consistency rule and all this stuff. But I would have basically passed stage 2 when you guys are still on stage 1.
No. Yeah, I'm on stage 1, but actually Christian lost his account. I don't know if you
I'm on standby, right?
I'm sorry, I'm just bragging a bit. Bragging rights.
Be careful now, because the same thing could happen to you that happened to me. So go back to your dashboard on Funder Pro and see what is your so you don't breach your daily drawdown in the last 24 hours. Remember?
You are correct. You're correct.
Look,
what did you tell him, Chris? I didn't want him to know, so he would lose, and you will learn actually how to behave with good traders.
So, I mean, because you think you've been up a lot, it was exactly what happened to me, and because I thought that, hey, I could go down to this level, but I didn't check it. It was my mistake. So, how much can you lose more today before your account will still be in plus, but
I will still be positive. I lost, like you can see, the 24 hour, like in the last 24 hours, I lost 2005 of equity. I still have this remaining, so
okay, we'll have a little
because it's
more room. Okay.
Room.
And to everybody, you are trading, what was it, gold, right?
Always gold. And I think, I don't know, I will see how the situation goes. I think I will rethink a bit my strategy, because I don't think I will keep the take profit. I don't think I will keep the take profit this high. The price action really scares me a little bit. So I think I think I will take the win. I will take a tight stop loss for this trade, and I will take the win. I will take the win, and I will trade, and I will do another trade probably. Even though it's a pity, because I basically lost half of the profit. I was at 12K, now it's 6.3. So
I mean, if you go break even, you're gonna lose your account. That's why you need to be careful. I mean, you can put
exactly.
a stop loss.
I will put the stop loss here at around 2027, so I don't put the risk. Actually, let's do it now.
But you know what? Now we are trading on a trade logger right now, and it's funny, now you're inside the where you can see how much you will risk and so on. They have improved a feature here lately about risk management and how you can type in how many percent and you will want to risk, or how much money you want to risk, and it will automatically define it on the chart. It's extremely smart.
That is exactly what I'm doing. So you see here, I will put the stop loss that will take me to exactly winning, like being in profit $5,000, right? So so 3.35%, and the stop loss will be at 2005, at the price of 2005. Whether now we are 2017, and this is where the stop loss would be.
Definitely go to track. If you're a trader, you should go to TradeLogger and see the latest video about the risk management tool. I mean, it's really good. It's a really good upgrade they did, and there's a video explaining everything, so you can go to their social channels. Okay, so before Antonio, we will look at your charts. Let's give the viewers a little more about how you trade, your strategy. What is it support resistance? What is it a big time frame? Is it market breakout open? What is your overall? What are you looking at? Now you're on a smaller time frame of 15 minutes, right?
Sorry, you talking to me or Antonio?
Yeah, no, to you. Since
sorry. I was messing up a little bit with the chart. Sorry, can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah. So let's give the viewers a little more info about how you trade. Is it your strategy? How do you manage your risk? We have talked about it in previous episodes.
Yeah. So now I don't now all the technical analysis about for this trade, it's in the previous video. So if someone wants to look at it, like you can just check the videos before this one. I explained why. What is the thought process that took me into this trade? Why I went into a buy? What were the conditions before? This was on Monday. Had several other trades, so now I cannot be specific on what is the reason. But nothing complicated. If someone is watching this, nothing really complicated. Just as I said always, I myself try to risk a bit more of my colleagues, which are very good traders, but I tend to risk more. I don't have time for risking 1%. I don't want to take too many trades. I want to be sure that the trade that I'm going into is a good one, and yeah, basically risk 5% of the account. You can see here on a four lots. For lots position, it's pretty big on gold, which is also a pretty volatile instrument. So don't try this at home, but for me, it's working so far.
Fantastic. Now, before we go to you, Antonio, prepare. I will put your screen on here right now. I just want to say to everybody, one thing with Funder Pro, it is that we offer daily payouts. And the other day, I think it was 1 or 2 days ago, we had one trader in 24 hours. He got 4 payouts. Can you imagine? You enter the UK market early in the morning, the European market, you're up in plus on your account, 1,000, 2,000, you request a payout. Next moment, you get the money, you watch the US market, you do it again. 4 payouts in 24 hours. It's just so you know that before you buy a challenge, it's a very good feature to have in mind. But Antonio, would you ever be in this situation?
Yeah. Well,
what's going on? What are you trading, and what is your balance
right now? So let's say today I'm upset, even though I'm following my strategy and I'm being a good guy. Let's say I told you a week ago that I've been very greedy with my pending order. Also because I wanted to just spend some time talking about the pending order on Trade Locker, which I love. You know, like basically, for example, let's actually get the euro dollar. Like you can just open a pending order. You know, choose the level, decide the direction, sell, buy. I find it so simple. And also, Salman, you might be interested in this new function. It's called stop loss. You see, this is very good. You should try it.
Thank you.
So I told you that I've been greedy with my pending orders, and it went well this week. Let's say I am break even. So I had this positive trade, like a nice sell on the CHF JPY. I was waiting for the 0.618 level, you know, on the Fibonacci to be respected. And then on the euro dollar, I mean, I opened the position a bit late during the day. I was waiting for a bump. It didn't happen. And I also want to show you a couple of situations that I found this morning. So I told you that I'm being greedy with pending orders, right? So look at this.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
like I've been looking at this resistance for a while, you know, like if this had happened, I would have passed stage 1 today. Unfortunately, I mean, I've been greedy. It's a strategy that works, but sometimes it doesn't. And when it doesn't, just, you know, I just have to accept it. And then I have another trade, another position that could happen soon. So basically, like I'm on the USD CAD. Like, it seems like this price might be bullish, but still, I didn't want to buy it this morning at this stage. You know, like for sure, this price might retrace. And if it doesn't happen, then I don't want it, because I already had to be quite tight with my take profit because I wanted to make sure that the stop loss is here. I told you, like, my strategy right now is a 1-to-1, actually a bit less because I have like a good win ratio. So I'm just leveraging that. So this is my next position. Hopefully it will be triggered soon, and we see how it goes. But yeah, overall I'm like 5%, so I need 5% more.
And you are still in phase 1, right?
Yeah,
so
I'm still
in phase 1.
Yes.
Salman is on the way to pass phase 2, and I totally messed up everything. So I'm a little on standby until the next round. But that's okay. That's how it is, right? Let's talk more about your strategy. You're trading many different pairs, or is it always the same pair?
I mean, I'm live.
Yeah, no, like, I mean, I have a pool of 4 or 5 pairs, you know, like euro dollar, then the dollar with the yen, AUD CAD, for example. Sometimes I trade as well here, like as you can see in my watch list. I mean, in general, I use, like, lately I'm using a lot of indicators, you know, just to understand when one of the major pairs, basically mostly majors, is heading into a specific direction. It's mostly based on Fibonacci levels over big time frames, and then seeing how it develops on smaller time frames. So, for example, like let's say in this case, we have an impulse that starts from there, right? So I was imagining the price to maybe start switching a reversal at this stage, but I don't know. I didn't feel like opening it here because it was also at night. And then I saw that the price bounced on this pretty strong level historically. Therefore, now that I'm in line with somehow the previous Fibonacci levels, I'm waiting for a retracement and then just go for a 1-to-1. I mean, I would say that this trade is easy, but you never know. Like, it's always 50-50. No, now that I said it, I'm probably going to lose it. But, like, I don't care anymore. If I have all the reasons to get into a trade, then, even if I lose it, it doesn't mean it's a bad trade. Like, I think that's also something beginner traders need to realize, because sometimes, you open a position randomly because you feel like gold is moving, so you buy it. Nothing related to you, Salman. I'm just shooting. And, so you should never do something that you're not planning.
Let's say to everybody who's watching, if you have any questions, if there's anything you want to ask us about, then feel free to comment. We are ready to answer back now. And if you are a trader and you have a very good strategy you would like to share with everybody, then feel free to text us as well. Maybe we can bring you live here one day. It would be nice. I mean, the whole concept, it is, we all just want to learn, right? We want to be better at trading. So, I mean, Salman is definitely in front right now, but Antonio, you can still win. Absolutely, right?
There is a green candle now on gold. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, because now the US market just opened. So, and this is normally the time, right? When Salman, how is your balance now? Is it going up or down?
So it's I'm around 7K now.
Okay, it's shooting up. But it could be a liquidity grab.
You should take them.
It is. It's a liquidity grab. It's gonna go down.
I think for the sake of the streaming, I will close the position.
Oh my God! Like the fact that you are winning this challenge, it destroys me. Mentally, it just destroys me.
It goes against everything with trading.
Okay, spike. Look, this is good for content. Let's keep it a bit. Let's keep it a bit.
Okay, try to zoom in.
Content. This guy says this is good for content on a challenge.
Try to zoom in. Try to zoom more in so we can see how much. I mean, I would say. I mean, it's crazy, right? He's winning at the moment, or close to win, because trading is about risk management and probability. And what you used to be a very pro in poker, or you're probably still good in poker, and you're coming in here from the left and just like high risk. I would say that if you're starting out now with trading, then I mean, don't
do like me.
Don't. No, I can't say that, but I would say do like Antonio, right?
Okay. I mean, if it goes again around at 7K, I will close the trade, because 7K it's a good.
It did. Yeah. Just close it. Yeah.
Closed. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So what's your balance now? You say how much more do you need to?
So now 157. I need another 5K. So I need another trade for 5K. Yeah.
Okay.
But that's good. So you're in line with the consistency rule, so that you don't have to achieve more than 60%, right?
This is why I did it. This is why I did it. I didn't want to have a super big trade. Yeah. Now, of course, it will spike up like here, but it doesn't matter. No, I took my decision.
Yeah, no, it does. Actually, it will be harder for you to recover your account if you get like a 20K good trade, because then it will mean that you need to do 15K or something similar in order to recover.
Yeah.
Okay,
let's see. Antonio, now the market open. So how does that affect your trade?
Yeah, I don't know. Like
you have
go anyway, but I just don't want to open it. Like I promised myself to just wait for pending orders, because sometimes they're just so simple and they're out there, especially for big time frames. Like do you ever look at a trade, backwards and say, this could have been an easy trade, especially when you're like doing backtest. And I find it easier to do with pending orders, because you're just free from everything. Like maybe you just get some fundamentals for the long term. So what's expected for that currency to happen. But like I find pending orders So, and also, when you have a pending order and it's open, you just receive a notification, but like it's different from opening a trade, being in it, like for example, Salman does, like I think, I don't know, the level of dopamine that Salman has, they would destroy me, probably. Honestly, like.
I think he's going for a dopamine spike every day, man. It's like up and up.
Yeah.
I need it.
Yeah, it's a rush. Okay, look, great update, both of you. I hope soon I can join you again. And everybody who's watching, I mean, also if you see the live stream after, when it's over, you find it on YouTube. Feel free to comment below. Reach out to us if you want to join. Go to funderpro.com. If you want to trade, of course, there's some good opportunities there. I mean, there's so much on social media at the moment, and so much more content will be published every day from now on. So do you have anything to add before we will say see you all next week?
Just wanted to say this is not financial advice again and again.
Important.
And you can also try the free trial if you're looking to buy a new challenge. You can also start the free trial of Funder Pro, which is free, and also grants you the possibility of moving your virtual profit from the free trial onto your like real challenge. And don't be like Salman. That's it. Don't be like Salman.
Guy, if you want to switch 1 second in my stream, on my screen, I will just take a short position now because I think
you're gonna open. Okay, this is funny.
Yeah.
Look, let's explain to everybody mindset-wise what's going on now. He is high on dopamine, Salman. He thinks he can walk on water. Now he just goes 7K in a position, and now he's on the way to.
I just made 7K.
Made 7.
Okay.
I mean, every time I have opened a position again, a little later, 5 minutes later, I thought that, hey, this is going to go good. The price very often will go up and go down, and then I suddenly will start fighting with my mindset about, I was maybe not so tough as well. Let's see. Try to open it and let's see what's going on the next 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. And it was about I did a sell.
No. I went for a short this time. Okay. I think that now we can keep this for the next stream, and I will tell you why for the next stream. But I went in a short now, and I will keep this. Remember this 3.14, the pi Greco, as we say in Italian. So. Let's keep it for the next time.
Yeah.
It will be interesting.
But wait, Salman, I have a question. So if we have the consistency rule, which is per day, right?
Yeah.
And you agreed that it was better to stop that win, in order to facilitate your account. Then why are you going for a sell right now? Because it like you could have just taken a position.
No, it will carry on the next day. This is a completely different position, so this will count.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So
the consistency rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. The consistency rule will apply. Applies only when the trade's open. So it will take in consideration the day I traded the first trade and the first day that I traded the second day.
Okay.
So yeah, as you can see, guys, it's not going very well now, but I'm hopeful.
I mean, you can't catch a falling knife. That's what I learned after many years. So, and you're basically trying to time the top of this nice green candle. Look, before I thought that you will buy again and go in because I can get more out of it. But you said you were selling. Yeah. If I should do one of the two, I will also bet on you should sell.
Yeah.
Because, but damn, it's difficult to time the top, right? Or
this is trading. It's very difficult, but we will get there again next week for the next live.
Awesome, man. That's a good one.
Salman, do you want to handle my live accounts by any chance?
No. Let me first pass. You're trying to bring me unluck. Don't worry.
No. I'm genuinely jealous. I'm just jealous. Actually, I think my position got triggered. Chris, do you wanna?
Yeah.
Lots of things happening today in a live, right?
Sure. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Something is happening.
Okay. So let's say now it's me and Salman. We have the same direction, right? He's looking for a sell on the gold. I'm looking for a buy on USD CAD. This looks positive. I was expecting it to just bounce. Probably it will go up till here, I think. But this might be like maybe a 2-3 days long position. I also need to make sure that it doesn't overlap with any news maybe tomorrow. Just thinking out loud also to, show my thinking when I open a trade on Thunder Pro.
Joshua is asking on Twitter now. On Twitter, comment here. How can I join the challenge? Please send us a text. Comment under our YouTube video. Listen, go to our YouTube and comment under our YouTube video, and or send us a DM inside Twitter as well. That's also an option, and we will get in contact. It will be great. Absolutely. Yeah. So amazing. There was one comment there. It's great. Look, I think it's going to be fun next week to see. Are you both right about what you did? And then let's meet soon again for sure. So
this candle worries me, but I just don't want to look at it anymore. Can you just remove it, Chris, please?
Okay. I will go to Salman. Oh, this is going fantastic, right, Salman? You short the market.
Beautiful.
Not really. No. But this time, look at this. I put the stop loss here, so I'm safe. So I can lose double of this one. If I lose 2K, it's not important. Like
okay. I see. Interesting. Yeah. Awesome, everybody. Look, great. The trading challenge will be back again next week, and remember to hit the notification bell on YouTube, Twitter, wherever you see us, so you get notified when we will go live. It's always Thursdays and around this time here. And if you have any questions, comment, ask, and if you're a good trader, you want to join, you are more than welcome. And beside that, go to thunderpro.com and see all the opportunities for trading and trade with real capital. That's all, right?
Bye, traders.
Amazing.
Bye, Challenger Thunder Pro. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.